when they say they love you and they claim they got your back. But every time you looking for their asses to patch up the dam, first thing they do is help that crack. If they ain't gonna help you pick back up the pieces, and if you put your life together, I don't give a damn if they a Christian, I don't give a if they a Muslim, I don't give a damn if they believe in Buddha. By the way, did y'all know Buddha was black? Oh, wait with that. If they can't do everything to keep it real and secure you and stand beside you and help you watch your back, then you better get away from them, because 9 times out of 10, they about to get you and them whacked. Assalamu alaikum. Pick your friends wisely and stay true. People do what you let them do. Don't be no damn